As you might know, the All Wales Summer Drink Drug Drive campaign is underway, and colleagues from across Wales are working together to make our roads safer by identifying, arresting and prosecuting those who drink or take drugs and then drive. There's no foolproof way of drinking or taking drugs and staying under the limit. Even a small amount of alcohol or drugs can affect your ability to drive. The best advice if you're driving is to avoid alcohol and drugs completely. We hope that those we stop who are found not to be driving under the influence are not too inconvenienced, and we thank them in advance for their support. We hope you understand that our sole aim is to make our roads safer for everyone. For those who we stop and find to be driving under the influence, I can only say that you will be held accountable for your actions. If you're fortunate enough to be caught and not killed after drink or drug driving, you will be dealt with robustly and the consequences can be severe. If truth be told, we don't want to have to be doing these kinds of campaigns. But while a minority of irresponsible drivers think it's acceptable to drive under the influence, we will continue to work hard to identify them and take them off our roads. Thank you for your ongoing support, and if anyone has information about those who choose to drive under the influence, please ring 101 or 999 in an emergency.